I'm just sitting here listening to the sound of rain, the sound of pain. KevRokk's on that lyrical plane, and yo, I aim for the brain. It's all about to me in place, y'all. Let's just face off like face off. This ace talking straight boss. Yo, 8 slots to break off, I take off. Knowledge is the power, yo, the power is knowledge. Stand up like a tower and you bound to be fallen. Humility is key. You silly thieves and greed disagree. They want you to wonder, we just another number in their pockets. Death is such a profit, they feed upon illogic. It's sickening following the enemy to the remedy, cause the memory from history seem to be so dreamy. Do you see me? Are you hearing correct? We nearing the death, more quick the more we sit and dwell upon ourselves. Check yourself, you as well, KevRokk 2018. Shouts out to all y'all around the world, you feel me? Right.